Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a new day and a new vlog. I just came here. I started this vlog to tell you guys that today is 28th of November and yesterday it was a very nice day. It was our wedding anniversary, our first wedding anniversary. तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ vlog नहीं किया, ज़्यादा as in I didn't vlog it at all because I have already put an anniversary vlog in my channel. It was our first vlog, so I don't want it to be very repetitive. So हमने सिर्फ बाहर गए, we spent a good time, we went for a good dinner date, all that. And apart from that, coming Saturday we will be hosting a nice small gathering, like a family gathering, because yesterday it was Thursday, so not everyone was free, so we thought that we would postpone and we will invite everyone on Saturday to celebrate our anniversary with the family members. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, that's the update as of now. देखते हैं क्या क्या करना है. I have to figure out my outfit for Saturday as well. And yeah, yesterday I went to mall. I shopped for some things. I will show you shortly what all things I got. And I also got my Nykaa parcel. तो उसके ऊपर एक shorts बनाना है. All this छोटा छोटा काम है editing का, वो सब तो आज वो हम करेंगे. Yeah, that's about it. अभी फ़िलहाल तो यही update है. I'll keep you guys updated क्या क्या होता है आगे. Hi guys, welcome back and today is 29th of November and it's Saturday, and as I told you earlier that आज हमारे घर पे छोटा सा लाइक गेट टुगेदर होने वाला है फॉर आवर वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. तो आज सब लोग आएंगे शाम को, एंड तो इसके लिए मैंने अपना हेयर वॉश सब कर लिया है सो दैट आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग इट आउट ऑफ द वे, क्योंकि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूम होता है. आई हैव 2 आउटफिट ऑप्शंस. आई विल पॉप द इमेजेस ओवर हियर. आई डोंट नो, मेरा फिक्स नहीं है कि विच वन शुड आई वेयर. दीज 2 आर दी आउटफिट्स विच आई हैव इन माइंड कि इनमें से कोई मैं एक पहनूंगी. तो उस हिसाब से मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ न्यूट्रल नेल पेंट्स लगाऊँ, लाइक लाइक समथिंग इन ब्राउन, एंड उसके ऊपर कुछ तो सा ग्लिटर करूँ, तो शायद दोनों भी आउटफिट्स पे चला जाएगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट तो ऐसे कुछ है नहीं अपडेट. आपको देखने को मिलेगा इन द फ्यूचर क्लिप्स कि मैंने क्या पहना है. Hi guys, so the party has officially ended and we have got some very cute gifts. One of the gift is this top which I am wearing and मैं यही पहन के जा रही हूँ. So me, my husband are planning to go out now. It's like 11 or 11:30, but still आज हमको दिन भर कुछ time नहीं मिला. So we are just going to go to the beach and sit there for some time. So I'm going to wear this simple easy breezy top and yeah, अभी मैं थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगाऊंगी. द मेकअप इज स्टिल ऑन. आई जस्ट रिमूव्ड माई क्लोथ्स. आई होप यू सॉ द प्रीवियस क्लिप्स कि मैंने क्या पहना था. आई डिडंट गॉट अ चांस टू व्लॉग, सो आई जस्ट व्हाट यू वांट. सो आई यूज दिस लिप लाइनर फ्रॉम मार्स, एज ऑफ डिजायर. दिस इज द वन.
Keep like this.
I don't mind. Okay, after that I'm going to use this Maybelline New York ka this creamy matte lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. So these two go together very nicely, the lip liner and these are like almost the same. These are almost the same shade. So it goes very nicely. I'll show you how it looks.
Oh, it's perfectly same. Really, it's very same. How do you manage all the same together, huh?
That's it. I am ready to go to the beach. Should I apply a little bit of blush? I should look good on the beach now.
Come the beach.
Yeah, I think I'm good to go. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mist. Which mist should I apply, Christy? Can you tell me Into the Night apply karu ki Thousand Wishes or this one, like us dreaming in Paris? Dreaming of Paris, sorry.
Beach order.
This one?
Yeah.
I was thinking this because I'm going into the night. This is more appropriate, right? Into the night. Hi guys, welcome back, and today is 30th of November, so basically it's the last day of this month. And yeah, today is Sunday, so आज हम जा रहे हैं church for mass. तो आज है evening mass, तो अभी मैं ready हो रही हूँ just to go to church, and I quickly took a shower. मैंने मेरा सूट पहन लिया है, and I'm just going to do some little bit of skincare and just little bit of touch up here and there and look little presentable, and then go to the church. Options, one is this and another one is this one. I don't know which one will look better. Okay, so I think this one is looking more better, right, than this one. Okay, I'll go with this one. Okay guys, I'm ready. This is my final makeup look, whatever it is. I will catch you guys later. Uske pehle I'm just going to show you my entire outfit. So this dress is gifted to me by one of my auntie. So yeah, I'm just going to show how this dress looks on me now. Okay, so I'm wearing this dress. This is like a royal blue sort of a color. Hi guys, it is 3rd of December today, and which means that Christmas is around the corner. So today we are going to decorate our Christmas tree. So we have already bought the crib and everything, and yeah, the crib is all set. Now we are just going to decorate the Christmas tree. So yesterday we went and bought some decoration stuff from the market, and we already have the tree. We are not going to invest in a new tree for this year. So I'm just going to do my morning skincare routine. It's not morning, it's almost 11, it's almost going to be afternoon. I'm just going to apply my vitamin C toner. That's it. For morning I don't do that much. Okay guys, so here is my Christmas tree. We have to open it up and then we will start the decoration. So let's start. Hello guys, so we are back from the shop and
Hello guys, we are back from the shop.
yeah, and I got quite a few things. I got something in golden. I got these golden balls, and I also got this chain type of a thing to like wrap it around the Christmas tree so that it would look like more goldenish kind of. And yeah, we also got the more cherries. थोड़ा ज़्यादा cherries चाहिए tree पे. And then I got this one decorative item to keep it below the tree, Christmas tree. Okay guys, so the tree is finally done. Little bit things are left here and there, but we will figure it out later on. So for now that's it, and I'll show you the full Christmas tree and the lightings at night, because it is day now, so you can't see the lightings and how it is looking. So you have to wait till the night so that I can show you on its full glory.
Yes, sir. Ranveer Singh is the main lead actor in that movie, and I think it's a hot minute that we have seen Ranveer Singh in like theaters. At least I haven't seen. I saw his last movie, which was Rocky and Rani, in the theaters. After that, मैं अभी जा रही हूँ उसका movie के लिए. So yeah, I am very excited for the movie, and we have no such plans. After that, what to do, but we'll see. And also I did this whole face makeup, this whole glam makeup in the car, and I shot a very nice YouTube shorts as well. So by the time this vlog is up, the shorts will be there on my channel, so please do visit my shorts and see how it turned out. I really enjoyed doing my makeup in the car. Are you excited, Christy? You are, but your excitement is not showing on your face. Why? He doesn't seem as excited as I am. Also guys, it is our engagement anniversary today. Like जो हमने महाराष्ट्र में जो wedding किया था. Yeah, anytime I am just vlogging on my channel, anytime I am opening the camera, either I am in the car or either there is some sort of anniversary is going on. Just because we had 2 marriages and both happened like back to back. So 2 marriages as in, I told you, like Hindu and Christian दोनों marriages होने की वजह से it happened back to back. Like the Kerala wedding was on 27th of November and the Mumbai wedding was on 8th of December. So there are quite a few, you know, dates to keep in mind for her marriage situation. But yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm happy about it, and I'm not complaining. I'm just saying there are a lot of dates and we have to explain people, otherwise they will keep thinking that why I'm not excited.
Yeah, I'll show you why he is not excited. His view. This is his view. That's why he is not excited, and he is my view.
Don't butter me, huh?
I
I'm really liking my lip shade today. I just experimented. I never do. Like usually when I'm applying lipstick, I'll apply a lip liner which is of the same shade sort of. But today I applied a lip liner which is like few shades darker of my lipstick, and I think it's looking really nice. It is giving my lips like a good, you know, definition kind of thing, and yeah, it gave me a good shape. So basically, I liked the movie. The role of Ranveer Singh was very nice. He did justice to his character for sure. I even liked the acting of Akshay Khanna. So basically, I enjoyed the movie. What about you, Christy?
Fantastic.
Also, we did a very fun thing in the mall. I'll show you what we did. Okay, we basically, there was this photo booth, and nowadays I'm just seeing like people go to this photo booth and they take their Polaroids and all that. So I also wanted that kind of a Polaroid for a very long time now, and they were charging like 200 rupees. So me and Christy, we went and we took this photos. They give us this 3 photos and they give 2 sets. So yeah, it is worth it, I thought. I really enjoyed this. The photos turned out to be very cute. It was a good experience. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is 9th of December, and today was a very long, hectic and tiring kind of a day. So I just took my shower and I'm fresh now. I came here to show you one product. So that is a very interesting one I wanted to show you. Okay, so basically the product which I'm talking about is this one. It's not a beauty product, for a change. It is this money saving piggy bank kind of a thing. I ordered this like 2 months before. It claims that it can save up to 1 lakh rupees in this, and the interesting thing about this piggy bank is that it has a chart at the back of this, and on this chart they have kind of notes written on, like 50 ka notes and 500, 200 or 100 ka notes, and they have different rows. So every time you put in a note, you can just cancel it out. So as you can see, these are all the notes that I have put and I have cancelled. So अभी तक की इसमें कुछ 15,000 के ऊपर थोड़ा सा अमाउंट एक इसमें कलेक्ट हुआ है. But the problem is that it can't accumulate any more money. If you can see, like it is full till the top, it's full till the brim. So I don't know, I feel that this is not enough for 1 lakh rupees. So I went on and I ordered one more piggy bank of same sorts. I will show you the other one which I got. I got it yesterday itself, but I have not opened it because I wanted to open with you guys. So let's see how it is. I will open and I will show you. Guys, it's the next day. Yesterday when I was vlogging, something came up in between and I could not continue the vlog. So that's why I am opening this now. I will open and show you how it is. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so this one has the charts on both the sides. I think I should just do the inauguration of this piggy bank. I will put some amount in this. Let me see. Okay, so I will start my savings with my first investment, which is this 500 rupee ka note. I'm just going to fold it into very small folds because I realized in my previous box, which is right here, I used to put the notes, like I used to fold it only half and then I used to insert it in the box. So uske wajah se I think it got very full.
So isme I'm not going to do that mistake. I'm just going to make small folds and I'm going to enter. So I entered a note of ₹500. So I'm just going to make a cut on the 500 rupees का जो column है. There you go. Hi guys, welcome back. It's the next day and I came here again to open few boxes from Meesho. I got these parcels today only, now itself. Okay, so I have ordered this thing. If now you're thinking what is this, this is basically a tool जिससे you can curl your hairs overnight without using any curling machine or giving any heat treatment to your hairs. So this is the one thing which I have ordered long back. I don't know why it came today, but yeah, इसके साथ we get 2 scrunchies, quite of a good quality, not bad, and then we get this clip to secure your hairs. So this is the thing which I have ordered. This is like a lipstick organizer. So if you see, it has like this inclined thing. So when you place your lipsticks in here, you can see every lipstick properly. So I have finally opened this box and I have received this set of acrylic organizers. Okay, so basically we get 8 of these boxes, not of the same size, they have different sizes. So this is the first 2 boxes which I have received. We have 4 of these, okay, and uske alawa we have this smaller छोटू सा boxes as well, and then we have this one which is a little bit narrow one. इसका सिर्फ एक ही है, and then this small tray, rectangle tray. So ऐसे मिला के we have like 8 of these boxes to organize. Okay guys, we have one more parcel from Meesho. While we are opening that other parcels, this parcel also came. So now Christy is going to unbox it. Hi you guys, so this is the table which I ordered from Meesho. It came into parts and we just assembled it. My father-in-law actually helped me, and you can see there is a suitcase behind that table. So basically I ordered this table because on that suitcase I usually load up things and it is looking somewhat like that, and I'm not liking the way it's looking, and that's kind of making my room look so much messy. And you can see that I have a desk over here, and clearly the desk is also way much messy than it was earlier. Now I'm just going to arrange that. So before arranging that, I need to take that suitcase away from that, and I'm just going to keep it somewhere else, and then I'm going to just clean my table, my desk, my drawers, everything, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I'll take you along with me in that process. It's already 9:30. I am quite hungry. I'm waiting for him to get back home so that I can eat, and then I can do the cleaning and everything, and then I will go to sleep. Hi guys, so yeah, this is my dinner. I'm going to eat 2 chapatis with sambar, and these are my fruits. So Christy is going to eat fruits, I'm going to eat this. I'm also going to eat fruits as well, and yeah, then I will get back with my cleaning stuff. So as you can see, I have already cleared the suitcase and everything from here. Now I just need to complete this and then get back to work. Bye. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to clean this table with this cloth. Okay guys, so this is how my organizer is looking, lipstick organizer. I think it's looking pretty good. So now I have this particular organizer जिसमें I have all my nail paints and stuff. So I'm just going to quickly arrange it properly, and I'm going to keep it back here. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more organizer, which is this one. This is like a jewelry organizer thing. You can keep your earrings and rings over here, and then if you remove this top compartment, you will get another compartment. So यहाँ पे
You can put your chains and everything.
Okay guys, so this is how my table is looking right now. So I have kept all my perfumes and my other accessories like hair accessories, earrings and my lipsticks, everything on the top shelf. And in the middle one I have kept my nail pens and other things, miscellaneous things. And here is my jewelry box. And at the bottom I have kept one speaker, two spare organizers, and this is one manicure kit. And यहाँ पे थोड़ा creams and tiger balm रखा है मैंने. So that's it. I think it's looking pretty good. काफ़ी चीज़ें accumulate कर दी है इसने. So this is how my desk is looking. Yeah, now it's looking pretty good. काफ़ी decent, काफ़ी spacious लग रहा है. Hi guys, so I am back at my favorite place, which is the beach, and I came here to see the sunset, but I could not see it because the sun already settled down, because there are like clouds today, so much of clouds, so I could not see. So yeah, I came here to end this vlog. And yeah guys, so in this vlog there is nothing as such happening, so just please go with the flow, just enjoy the vlog, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more such amazing vlogs if you're interested. And yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. Please let me know in the comments down if you are expecting any sort of videos from me, if you have any video suggestions for me, and I will make sure to shoot all those videos. Yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.